Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to set up your Ubiquiti U6 Wi-Fi extender using a web browser. This method is very easy and simple. So let's start. First of all, plug the Ubiquiti U6 Wi-Fi extender into an electrical outlet near to your existing Wi-Fi router. Then wait for the LED light to become solid. During the setup process, always place your Ubiquiti U6 Wi-Fi extender near to your Wi-Fi router. When the setup is completed, then you can move the Wi-Fi extender to another location within the router range. Now, you need to connect to your computer or mobile device to the Ubiquiti U6 Wi-Fi extender's default Wi-Fi name. The default Wi-Fi name or SSID must be Ubiquiti U6 Wi-Fi Extender. You can find this SSID or network name of the Wi-Fi networking list of your mobile or computer. If you are using this extender for the first time, then you can connect without a password.
Launch a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Then you need to type ubiquiterapiter.net in the web address bar, and hit the enter button. After this, you will redirected to a page where you need to create a password for future logins. Type the password 2 times and click the login button now. You will be redirected to the Ubiquiti U6 Wi-Fi Extender's admin page.
Here, you need to choose the network which you want to extend with the help of Ubiquiti U6 Wi-Fi Extender. Select your router's 2.4 GHz SSID network, enter its Wi-Fi password, and click Next. Now, select another 5 GHz SSID network, enter its password, and click Next. Now, you need to confirm your Wi-Fi network password. Follow the given instructions to relocate your Ubiquiti U6 Wi-Fi extender for optimal Wi-Fi coverage and performance, and then click Done. Always place the extender with the router range. That's it, your Ubiquiti U6 Wi-Fi extender setup is complete. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.